Casey, what are you doing? She's pulling on her bed.
It's okay. That doesn't hurt Sadie at all. Trust me.
Uh-oh. Bless you.
Gross.
Bless you. Well, where'd the doggy go, Case?
Sadie. Sadie, come here. Sadie, come here. Sadie, come here. Come here. Yay! Yay!
Yay! I think it's time for bed, sweetheart.
Yeah, are we tired? Come on, let's go upstairs.
Bye. Good night, honey. Good night. I love you.
Bye, Mom. Good night. Good night.
Hi, sweet pea.
Good night. Bye. Yay. Yay. Okay.
I love you, pumpkin.
How's her head?